Here's something nobody's telling you about Excel dashboards. You don't need a $100 an hour freelancer to build one anymore. Forget hiring someone to untangle your messy spreadsheet, the one with numbers and text jammed together, no structure, total chaos. Today, I'm turning that mess into a full CEO-level dashboard with KPIs, charts, and slicers in under 2 minutes. No coding, no experience. Stick around, because later I'll show you a single button that rebuilds this entire dashboard automatically, anytime your data changes. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. Here's the Excel file with our raw sales data. As you can see, it's messy. No formatting, no structure, numbers and text mixed together. Normally, cleaning this and building a dashboard from it would take hours. But today, we're doing the whole thing in just 2 minutes. First, open your browser and search for Claude AI. Log in using your Google account. Once you're inside, click on the plus icon and upload your Excel file directly into the chat. This is where the real magic begins. Now, copy the prompt given in the video description. Paste it into Claude AI. The prompt simply says, study this data, clean it, and build a complete interactive dashboard with KPIs, charts, and slicers for a CEO-level report. Press Enter. Within seconds, Claude AI starts reading your data. Watch this carefully. It identifies the columns, understands the sales numbers, and starts generating the full VBA code needed to build your dashboard automatically. Once it's done, click on Download. You'll get a text file with the complete VBA code inside. Open that file and copy everything. Now go back to Excel. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Click on Insert, then select Module. Paste your VBA code inside and close the editor using Alt plus F4. Next, let's create our one-click button. Go to the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and choose a rectangle. Draw it anywhere on your sheet. Type the text, Build My Dashboard. Make it bold, center align it, and increase the font size so it stands out. Now, right-click on the button and select Assign Macro. Choose the macro and click OK. Your one-click button is ready. Now comes the moment you've been waiting for. Click the button. Look at this. Within just a few seconds, Excel starts working in the background. New sheets appear automatically. Pivot tables are created one by one. Charts start forming. Slicers get added on top. If you had to do this manually, you would need to build pivot tables yourself, design charts one by one, format every single element, and align everything properly. That would easily take 3 to 4 hours. But here, everything happens automatically with just one click. Now look at the final result. You have a sales trend chart, a region-wise performance chart, and a product category breakdown, all color-coded and clean. On the right side, slicers are ready, so you can filter the data by month, by region, or by product. Try clicking on any slicer now. Watch this carefully. The entire dashboard updates instantly. This is exactly how professionals are now using Claude AI to skip hours of manual Excel work. No coding knowledge needed. No complex formulas to remember, just one prompt, one click, and a fully working dashboard ready in front of you. And that's it. That's how you can create stunning dashboards in seconds. If you found this helpful, try it yourself. All the prompts and links are available in the video description, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content. See you in the next video.